hati na. You see? It's the banana. Yan, hati-hati na. Ng cornstarch, harina, tsaka ting asin, paminta, at chili powder.
Yummy!
Yummy? May pancake also. Yummy? Yummy! What's your sauce? What's that?
That's trabahan ni Mami.
Sugar, milk, and molasses. Ilagay yung mixture.
Salta.
I put there. I use chopstick para submerge siya sa mixture. Yan.
Wawita. Wawita.
What are you talking? See, i-submerge lang siya. Para mag-crunchy, kailangan ng mixture ng harina, cornstarch. Lagyan nyo asin, konting sugar, para may flavor, tsaka chili. Hurry. Okay.
Already checked another house.
Oh.
Do it.
Later. Pancake? Let's take a bite. This one.
Hello to the future.
Oh,
What the living in the moon now?
Pwede din ketchup. Pwede itong ipang-ulam.
I am in the moon. Living in the moon now. Hey.
Ketchup pwede din. Mas masarap sa ketchup. Ano?
Hey.
Oh.
I want
Yeah.
soup. Soup. I want soup. Soup.
Gamit ko dito flour.
Big malunggay.
Wet flour. What?
Big malunggay.
It's healthy malunggay.
Big malunggay.
You want some?
No.
Yummy. May tira pa yan eh. Ano
Ah,
kaya?
ah!
Parang igawa ko siyang burger
Dance.
mamaya. Haluan ko pa rin. Haluan ko siya ng tuna flakes para
Mami.
sumarap.
dance me.
Pwede rin palang imitlop. Haluan lang din ng
Huh?
konting harina at cornstarch. Tsaka, pwedeng chicken meat
Pak, 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 pak.
or tuna.
Funky.
Say hi!
Hello to the future. Papa na, ben lemon na.